Okay, so I gathered all the used sockets just laying around the shop and put them in this. This is walnut shell, and I'm going to try a tip somebody recommended online. So, sorry, I basically keep a lot of my polishing products in here. Basically, we're going to take some of this green rouge. I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to shave small amounts and put it in here to where it kind of coats the walnut shells and this for a dry shine effect. I've seen it online and it seems to work pretty well. Let's see how it turns out. So basically, I'm just shaving off, as you can see, some of this in the powder form. Because I use this same stuff in liquid form to hand polish sockets and it works great. So the way I see it is it damn sure can't hurt in here at all. I'd say it does all right. Okay, I tumble shined them, and as you can see, they come out fine. This is what I got left, but some of them, the inside, just get trashed up. As you can see, this one here is cracked, but I'll take a pick the grime out on the inside, and then a wire brush and hit them, and they'll be fairly clean.